The Call History tab gives you a complete log of every call made and received on your extension. Let's switch over to it now. Here you can see your recent calls organized in a clear table with all the details you need. At the top of the page, you'll find a powerful filter bar. Use the date range fields to narrow your search to a specific time period. The search box lets you look up calls by phone number, and the status drop-down filters by call outcome: answered, no answer, busy, or failed. You can also check the recordings box to show only calls that have a recording, or the transcripts box to find calls with an AI-generated transcript. Click the filter button to apply your selections. Each row in the call log shows the date and time, the call direction, blue for outbound, cyan for inbound, and the source and destination numbers, the total duration, billable seconds, and the call status. Green means answered, yellow means no answer, and red indicates a failed call. When a call has a recording, you'll see a play button in the Actions column. Click it to listen to the recording right in your browser. If a transcript is available, you'll also see a document icon. Click that to read the AI-generated transcript of the conversation. If you have more calls than fit on one page, use the pagination controls at the bottom to browse through older records. Click Next to move forward, or select a specific page number. That's everything you need to know about your call history. Use the filters to quickly find any call, play back recordings, and review transcripts, all from one convenient screen.